communication and leadership skill, which empowers them with self-confidence and personal growth. I request, please join me in welcoming our presiding officer, the Toastmaster Santosh Kejriwal.
The official open meeting number 250, the milestone meeting. Come on. What a start to our meeting today. If our evaluations can be in sandwich method, why not a meeting also? What do you mean by that? Snacks before the meeting and again one more round after the meeting. The meeting is sandwich between two snacks, right? Sandwich between snacks. So we should continue this party. I think every meeting, Rukhsar and Abib. And you will start with the snacks. No, 12 months guarantee I need. Sir, not an issue. But the minutes of meeting number 249, I suppose was definitely shared. Was it shared? I'm not sure. Is it shared? Okay. So please approve it. Let's pass that. Approved? Yes. Very good. Very good. Done. Any guests we have got today? Yes, sir. Huh? Who is the guest? Who is the guest? That is Chandrasekhar had messaged. Do you see any unfamiliar faces here today? Huh? Who?
Not a member yet.
Who?
Rohit.
Rohit. Okay. No, Rohit was Chandrasekhar. Chandrasekhar wrote his name only, Rohit. Okay, Rohit. Where are you? You are there. Can you rise and speak a few words? Like Rohit Sharma? No? Hitman? Hitman? Sir. That's all. You are CA.
So we have one more member, you know her.
Yeah, who is that?
Shilpi.
Shilpi.
Please come.
Shilpi? Huh? No. Come. Yes, Rohit, you are CA. What's the full form of CA? Shrikant? What is CA? No. Come again. Come again. Huh? That is come first again. Welcome, boys. Welcome. We have got one more guest, Shilpi Shah from Rotary of Bangalore Junction. Shilpi, just 2 sentences of introduction. आप कहाँ से आए, कहाँ से उतरे?
Apologies for getting late. Because of my first day, I was literally coming every floor, climbing every floor and coming. I didn't know which floor the meeting was.
Oh, you climbed on the floor.
Yeah, I climbed floors and then took a lift. So I didn't know which floor, I kept asking.
The floor is it?
Shilpi Shah, I'm a homemaker and I also do a little bit of trading from home for customized garments and a little bit of stock market. we joined Rotary and immediately got connected with Bhaiya. So wanted to attend this Toastmasters from a long time. Thank you for
See, she is the wife of,
yeah.
she is the wife of Mr. Raghavendra Shah, textbook. Huh? Okay. In that company, we had conducted one session, speech club session with Raghavendra Shah. Okay, welcome to all of you. Welcome to all the guests and all the junction Toastmasters of the night. Okay. Sylvie took me back to Rotary meetings now. Okay, what is today's theme? Celebrations, milestone? Hmm? That is activities. Today's theme is milestone. That's what I think. Though it is not put out on the agenda. Huh? You put something. He's forgotten what is put. I have not seen that. But I'll take it as milestone now. I remember a funny incident of milestone. It's not an incident, I've created this. 2007, I was in the US celebrating my 25th wedding anniversary. As an Indian citizen, we celebrate our milestones, right? How many of you have celebrated 25th wedding anniversary? Prasanna or Shalini or Ramdas ji? Most of us. Huh? For many 25th anniversaries it to come. Had I been a US citizen, what would have been the difference? Any idea? I would have celebrated. Huh? Say again. I would have celebrated the anniversary with my 25th wife. Optimism is. I am always full of optimism. I'd like to give a message to the BBMP. Now, seriously, I'd like to give one message to the BBMP. And what would that be? To put up a milestone, a stone on every road with the information that this road will be free of potholes 3 months from now or 2 months from now. They should put up at each and every road. Do you agree with that? Well, can that happen? Huh? Huh? If only this can be done, I think every milestone, we all achieve our milestones day in and day out, isn't it? One milestone achieved, another is waiting for us. That is also achieved, another is waiting for us. So the milestones keep on happening day in and day out with all of us. Now, cutting short, I would like to invite our next speaker, the Toastmaster of the day, whom I'll describe as weeds, W-E-E-D-S. Shocked? What does weeds means? Let me decode that for you. He works well, he eats well, exercises very well, he dances well, and sleeps well also. This is the mantra of his fitness, weeds. And who is the TMD for today? Toastmaster. Come on.
Yes, of course.
Huh?
Thank you to our presiding officer, Toastmaster Santosh. When you said weeds, I thought you meant, ganja. The joint. The joint.
The joint.
Ganja.
Huh?
And I was happy for a moment. And of course, it's legalized in America, so yeah. So on that note, US is famous for medical marijuana, which is the top quality. Whenever you go there, it has medicinal value, so do try it at least once. So with that, I'd like to welcome you all to our milestone meeting, meeting number 250 of NITK Beehive. And the cherry on the cake was on the 28th of Feb. It was the charter day for NITK Beehive as well. So you said something? Fifth charter day. 2001 it started, yeah. Oh, sorry, 2021.
Now the video is taken.
Exactly. Alright, so there's nothing really on script or there's nothing on paper today because it was all a surprise reveal, like you said, like you saw in the agenda. So I don't have much prepared, but I'd like to start off by saying that milestone is something that we always look forward to, right? I mean, whenever we're traveling somewhere by road, we always are interested in the next milestone, saying how close are we to the destination. Similarly, whenever we want to pursue something in life, whenever we set a goal, there are certain things that we need to follow on a regular basis. It can be your discipline, it can be your, say, the simple goal of having a fit body. It starts from having simple goals like I'll not eat too much of fried food, I'll cut short of sugars, and these have to be like milestones, saying that after 1 month my sugar intake would have been reduced by 100%. After 2 months, my fried food intake would have been reduced by 90%, something like these. So these are key milestones which we need to fix for ourselves, and these milestones are key for us to reach our goals. The moment we take a detour from our regular route, I think what happens, we we don't know like what to do next. We try to stop ourselves and we try to replan the entire thing. We try to take a detour, redirection, and then probably come back to the track. So this is what the milestone, and today's milestone is something that we should definitely remember. Of course, I joined NITK Beehive 1 year ago, but there are a lot of veterans in this club who have held their guns and taken this club to this level to where it is right now. And of course, whenever I talk to people outside, the division directors or the area directors, we know that there is a lot of good value and good reputation of NITK Beehive. And that's all thanks to our members. We have been dedicatedly working towards improving ourselves and also ensuring that we bring in more members and help each other in this journey of improving our speech and confidence for public speaking. So a big round of applause for everyone. And with that, let us start our momentous meeting today. So we do have a regular meeting structure wherein we have some table topics, but it's not the regular table topics. It's going to be fun table topics. And we have one surprise fun session, which is we do not know what it is. When it happens, I think we will be surprised and we'll enjoy it as well. So our first session is from our very own PO and president, Toastmaster Santosh. We have a very fun-filled musical table topics arranged, and let us hear it from the horse's mouth, what he wants to do, what is it that is planned for the first 15-20 minutes. Over to you, Toastmaster Santosh.
To conduct this session, I'd like to invite Habib also. Huh? Ready or not? I don't know this word, but I'll make him ready. Nothing to worry. Okay, this I will call as the musical table topics. A different type of table topics that we would like to put up before all of you. So what is the structure of this musical table topics? I and Habib will sing few Hindi songs from myself. Habib will put Hindi only or English or Kannada? Hindi. So both of us will sing Hindi songs. So what the speaker has to do he can either speak on the theme of the song, or he can pick up one word from the song and speak on that, or whatever comes into his mind. Anything to do with the song. Or he can sing another song also in answer to that. Huh? Yeah, he can do that. It's a fun session. All clear about it? You're all ready to come forward?
Yes.
Okay. Should I start or you start? You start. I know that. Okay, the first song that I will come up with will be a song as to what I think about myself. Okay? What do I think about myself? Listen to this. सब कुछ सीखा हमने ना सीखी होशियारी, सच है दुनिया वालों के हम हैं नाड़ी। सब कुछ सीखा हमने ना सीखी होशियारी, सच है दुनिया वालों के हम हैं नाड़ी। Yes. So what does this mean? Who can come and talk on this? Should I pick, or one of you will come? Come again, see it.
गुड इवनिंग ऑल। सब कुछ सीखा हमने ना सीखी होशियारी, राइट? And last one is it anadi, which is not ignorant. Yeah? That word is not applicable to our presiding officer, Toastmaster Santosh Kejriwal. Definitely, he is not ignorant. He is not anadi. Of course, he has learned everything. That's why he is in his position as of today. And he is also Hoshiari, very, what do you call it in English? Okay. Now, shall I sing a song or? Okay.
You have to speak, you have to say 2-3 lines.
Okay.
Whatever he said on sing a song, Santosh sir.
No, he said about himself.
He said about myself.
He said about himself. That's what I translated. He is Hoshiyar, but he is not Anadi. And he is definitely a learned person. That's what he mentioned in that. सब कुछ सीखा हमने ना सीखी होशियार।
We both think differently.
I can sing a song or is there any time limit for this one? 3 lines. I prefer with the music.
होठों से छू लो तुम, मेरा गीत अमर कर दो, बन जाओ मीत मेरे गीत अमर कर दो। होठों से छू लो तुम, मेरा गीत अमर कर दो, बन जाओ मीत मेरे गीत अमर कर दो। ना उम्र की सीमा हो, ना जन्म का हो बंधन, जब प्यार करे कोई तो लेके अपना, मेरे जीत अमर कर दो,
Then she sing. Go and do see chulo.
The next is रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के कांटों से चल के मिलेंगे सारे पहाड़ के हो राही हो राही हो राही हो राही. Someone has to take this. Then you can speak against that song. Reading song?
You speak whatever comes to your head.
Yeah.
If you have one.
Hi, good evening everyone. What an auspicious, meeting today. 250th milestone. We all are blessed to be here today, isn't it? Yeah. So, क्या था और एक बार बताओ? So, when the meaning of the word is रुक जाना नहीं. So maybe वैसे ही हूँ life में. I'm like that only. I never stop. Hurdles. That you are thinking, but not. Because so many hurdles I crossed, but I will never stop. So there are many incidents in life, especially when you are invalid for a long time, like 1 year. So I wanted to walk. Doctor told me 6 months, but 3rd month, because I did my exercise well, so मैं रुकना नहीं जानती हूँ. मैं रुकेगा भी नहीं है, because that is what drives me. I'll find पुष्पा में भी पी है. पुष्पा में भी पी है ना, उसमें भी है. That I do. I tried, but it is not coming to me. So that is what I understand from this, and hope that is the same meaning you are expecting from me. And मैं गाना नहीं गाती हूँ, मैं सुनती हूँ.
अरे यार हमारा ऐसे ठीक है. हाँ? माइक को जिसकी आवाज कमती है ना लो है उनको चाहिए. हाँ? मेरी आवाज बुलंद है ना? Do you agree to that?
Yes.
So when I sing this song रुक जाना नहीं, I remember one more song with the same word. रुक सना जाना हमसे तो बातें करके चले जाना. This is for you. The next song that I would like to sing is about a commitment that I had made to myself. Who's talking in between? Can you talk once again? Let me hear what you also are talking. You don't think. Why should you think? Huh? Let others think, suddenly. Okay, this is a commitment that I had made with myself many years back. Okay, listen to this. Who will answer this? Be ready. गीत गाता हूँ मैं, गुनगुनाता हूँ मैंने हंसने का वादा किया था कभी, इसलिए अब सदा मुस्कुराता हूँ मैं. Who knows the meaning of this? Nimisha? I know she's a good singer, she can understand well. Come. Huh? Want to sing?
This song, गीत गाता हूँ मैं, गुनगुनाता हूँ मैं, makes
should rely on hope in our lives no matter what happens. You should always keep a hope. So it reminds me of a very old song, but something that always incites hope in me. And maybe I'll just try to sing a few lines. If you've heard, please join me and sing. आंचल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहां हम आंसू बस तुम्हारी आंखें एक ऐसे गगन के तले
मेरे अंगने में तुम्हारा क्या काम है मेरे अंगने में तुम्हारा क्या काम है तुम्हें नाम वाला वही तो बदनाम है मेरे अंगने में तुम्हारा क्या काम है जिसकी बीवी होती उसका भी बड़ा नाम है जिसकी बीवी मोटी उसका भी बड़ा नाम है गोद में बिठा लो बच्चे का क्या काम है गोद में बिठा लो बच्चे का क्या काम है मेरे अंगने में तुम्हारा क्या काम है.
Yes.
So I'll continue with that.
We'll continue.
It's a fun song. So continue with the fun song. I'll just try. ओ मेरी प्यारी रे बिंदु, मेरी भोली रे बिंदु, मेरी मधुरी बिंदु, मेरी सिंदूरी बिंदु, मेरी बिंदु रे बिंदु, मेरी प्रेम की नैया कुछ भौर में गुड़गुड़ को देखा है. सब कमाल. गुड़गुड़ को देखा है, झटपट पार लगाए, मेरी प्यारी रे बिंदु, मेरे भोले बलम. The girl sings. मेरे भोले रे बलम, मेरे प्याले रे बलम, मेरे जीवन तेरे बिना ओ मेरे पिया, वो तेरे दिया है जिसमें तेल न हो, जिसमें तेल न हो, जिसमें तेल न हो. वो एक बाग है बाहर जिसमें हटकर गुजरे दूर दूर से गुजरे. ओ मेरी प्यारी बिंदु. The same way, if you have seen this Padasan movie, so this was the main song where the Kishore Kumar and Sara Bansal both fights. The same. मैम आपने देखा होगा, संतोष सर ने बिल्कुल देखा होगा. सर आप कुछ हंस नहीं रहे हो सर. आप चुपचाप हो, सीरियस हो गए. राइट. बिंदु के ख्याल में सर चले गए थे. राइट. So this was just a fun song as the thing was there. So I just continue the thing.
You want anything more? One more? Chalo, I started and have to end. Okay, song number 3 from my side. Now this is what I follow in life. Ready? जो मिल गया उसी को मुकद्दर समझ लिया, जो मिल गया उसी को मुकद्दर समझ लिया, मुकद्दर समझ लिया. जो खो गया मैं उसको भुलाता चला गया, खो गया मैं उसको भुलाता चला गया. Yes. भुलाता चला गया. Let me see if the guest can come. रोहित और शिल्पी. शिल्पी आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे?
With this song, I feel
Come here, come here, come here.
We should keep counting our blessings every day and gratitudes in our life. And with this, forget all the loss or all the small incidents which had affected us, to forget it. Just stay happy and be gratitude to everybody. That's what I can
Wait. You come from where?
No.
Huh? You skip this. Sir, TMOD, huh?
Come back again.
So I think that with this we'll end this session.
Yeah.
TMOD is saying no more time left. Time out. Come.
Thank you so much. Of course, we have our own Mohammed Rafi and Kishore here, so so big round of applause for them. Who would have thought, like, we listen to so many songs during a lifetime, but who would have thought each song has good meaning and good lyrics to it? Unless we pay attention, listen to it time and again, repeat mode, we will not be able to grasp that meaning. And every time you listen to a song, it gives you a different meaning. It gives you a different mood altogether. So with this, what a great session. I think we had a good start for our 250th meeting. And continuing this tempo, we have another fun-filled session. I don't know what it is, neither do you. But let's invite the host to drive the session today, our very own Toastmaster Shalini.
Thank you, Toastmaster Bopaya. Good evening, everyone. So to compensate for the part that I did not attend Toastmaster Ramdas sir's session, the education session that you conducted, I have a small quiz for all of you with in relation to Toastmasters. This is just to check your knowledge. The questions are very simple. What you're going to do is you're going to divide yourself into 4 teams. Okay, we have, I think, 14 members. I will have the guests do some work for me. You will be my score masters for today. Okay, so the gift is here, the winning thing. I've come with the gift. Okay. So, Santosh sir, you are 1. Okay. Rohit will be the score master. You are 2. So we'll go in the count of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Pratap, you are 1 again. Ruxana, Madhvi ma'am, 3, 4. 1. Habib, you are 2. You are 3. So all the ones sit together. Get up, please. You know how I am. You cannot be sitting in the same place for a very long time. Ramdas sir will be 4. Yes. So all the ones become 1 team. All the 2s become 1 team. All the 1s come next to Santosh sir. The 2s go together. The 3s sit together and the 4s sit together. Nothing to do with nature. We'll finish the quiz in about 5 to 8 minutes so that I can do the other game. Yes, nahin, it's Toastmasters ke liye. Everyone is Toastmasters. I'm not sparing anybody. Okay. Who is the timer? Right. So the thing is, the quiz will take, each team will get around 4 sets of questions. You have to raise your hand. You cannot answer in chorus and say, I know the answers and everything. If you don't know, your team members also know. That's okay. You've been attending meetings, right? So these are very simple questions. Okay, and the winning team gets the prize. Okay. So where are the ones? Raise your hand. You want to give a name? You can sit. You want to give a name to your team? We are the winners. Okay. Team 2, do you want to give a name to your team? Make it really fast. Masters. Winners, masters. Trailblazers. Wow. And that is team number 4. Tricolors. So 1 is winners, 2 is masters, 3 is tricolors, 4 is trailblazers. Okay. Scorers, can you do me one help, both of you? So which whichever team gets the correct answer, you give them plus 10. If they don't know, we will pass the question to the next team. If they answer their question, plus 5. So you go. Yes. Yes. So can we start? Nobody is looking at the question. You can write on the mobile, tell me in the end which team wins, they get the prize. No, there is one game too also. The second game. Vishal, you are on a winning streak. You both can sit down. No, it's okay. Let's not waste time. It's very easy. If the team gives the correct answer, you give them plus 10. Okay, we will give them 10 seconds time. If they don't know the correct answer, the question goes to the next team. So 1 is here, 2 is here, 3 is there, 4 is there. Okay, winners, team 1, masters, team 2. They should be able to answer. If we can't answer, then we will that is not the situation that will happen. No, it's very simple. If, say, Nimisha raises her hand, I ask the first question, team 1 raises their hand. Okay, they get the answer correct, they get plus 10. Second question goes to team 2.
No, if they get the answers wrong, then
It will go to team 2. It will pass, yeah. Yes. No negative marking. Sir, I'm not conducting CAT exam. Okay, so this is just to test our knowledge of Toastmasters. It's like you could say a Toastmasters quiz, okay? Team 1, winners. What is Toastmasters International's mission? I mean, if you get the words also correct, it's okay. Okay. If you don't know, you have to quickly say pass. Right?
supportive and collaborative was a platform.
Yes.
Provide the supportive and
Okay, then nobody gets to see this. Okay? You can do it in your own. You'll have to make it really quick because I have one more game. Yes. So provide a supportive and collaborative environment. Learning experience. Okay, we will give it to team 1 plus 10. Okay. Question number 2. Question 2. You want one more team should get prizes. I have prizes for 2 games, so we'll have to make it really fast. Team 2. When was Toastmasters International founded? Year. Wait, no chorus answers. Huh? 1926. Wrong. 1924, and by whom? Okay, plus 5 to team C. Team 3.
One
Team
minute.
3 also they are getting it wrong, no?
What was happening? When was Toastmasters founded?
1924 by Dr. Ramsey Smith. Okay, question to team 3 now. Okay, which are the 6 paths in existence now in Toastmasters? This you should be able to crack. Yes. I don't.
Engaging.
Minus you answer for them. Visionary communication, you said that correct. So 3 you have told correct. Persuasive influence, visionary communication, engaging humor. Other 3. Engaging humor. Humor. Team 1 is creating little bit of noise. Requesting you to be silent. 3 more. Okay. This is something we all should know as Toastmasters. Yes, team 4. Would you like to say all this? Okay. 2 more. That is already said. I thought I was asking easy questions. Yes. Okay. Team 1 or team 2? If any team answers all the 6, they get 5 points. Team 1, would you like to try?
innovative planning, persuasive influence, visionary communication, engaging humor, presentation mastery, leadership something.
Leadership. Yes, yes, you're right. Leadership. What leadership? Yeah,
Dynamic leadership.
so give +5 to team 1. Okay. Okay. Next question for team 4. Team 4. The question is for you. Who was the first woman DTM in Toastmasters? This you should know. Who became the first woman DTM in Toastmasters? Woman DTM. Sir, I am long way. Still a long way. If you don't know, you can say pass. Pass. Team 1.
Is it like just give us a clue? Somebody current, like newish or oldish?
Here I can tell you 1942.
I'll put it mid.
क्या बोल रहे हैं ये लोग इंदिरा गांधी तक पहुंच गए लग रहा पॉलिटिकल न्यूज कर रहे हैं ओके
Summer of 42, the movie.
Nobody got this is yes Helen Blanchard we'll still give it to you. You got the first name correct. +5. Are you scoring? You can't look in voice. कब बोला अभी नहीं बोला hey Helen Blanchard and Helen Keller at least one here people are saying Indira Gandhi it's too bad yeah this is ridiculous 5 points to team 3 okay question number 5 is for okay team 1 question number 5 now this you should be able to crack who is the current international president of Toastmasters International +10 okay yeah okay question number 6 to team 2 now this thing has been repeated by you only as sergeant at arms many times in the club so the question is for you how many members are there in Toastmasters International worldwide today no that is not like this. You cannot have a exact people are doing business or what? I want the correct number. And you have to tell me how many countries also. This we have repeated in our club many times. No. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. Team 3. No. 1. Sir, they are listening to us. Mathematics कर रहे हो यार. Really, this is going haywire. How many countries? No. Nobody? 140 is correct. You said 142, 140. 140.
140.
Yeah, you didn't say 140. 140. Yeah, we didn't hear that. Okay. And how many members? 1.6. 1.6. It's 350,000 members. Okay, and this Sergeant at Arms is repeated in the club many times. Okay, now question goes to team 3.
So nobody gets this?
You get 5 points for 140. You have to be loud. Okay. Team 3, this is for you. Team 3, this is for you. What is the name of the educational program used by Toastmasters? What is it called? We use it day in and day out, the word. Okay. Team 4? Base camp, and under that comes pathways. Okay, yeah. So they get 5 points. Team 4 gets 5 points. Okay. Next question is for team 4. Okay. Now this you should. What is the term? What is the term used, or what is the designation given to the ExCom leader? The top rank in the ExCom. Presiding officer or president? +10. Okay. Okay. The question goes
Very, very unfair.
Team 1 question is for you.
Protest.
They have not opened an account, so it's okay. It's not all questions are very easy. Last round है ये, हाँ? Okay. Team 1. The question for you is: when you do the L2P3 project, what is the purpose of that project? L2. L2, P3 is the same in all the paths. L2, P3, one second, L2, P3. Nimisha, very recently you gave that.
I did level 3, not level 2.
Let me tell you,
Sir,
it is about mentorship.
Yes, it is how Toastmasters envisions mentor. You can give them this. Okay? Team 2, the question for you is, what is the, yeah, how Toastmasters, they gave the answer correct. How Toastmasters envision correct. Next question for you is, what is the title given to someone who achieves the highest level in Toastmasters education program? What is that called? Arey, kya?
highest level.
The highest honor that you get in Toastmasters is what? Yes, team 3? Yes, it is DTM plus 5.
Only Toastmaster.
What is happening to your team? Okay, team 3, question is for you. What is the typical length of a Toastmaster speech? Hey. Okay, give them plus 10.
Very bad.
The last question for team 4. What is the length of a Toastmasters program year? I want the exact, what is the length of Toastmasters program year, and month to month you have to tell me. Which month it begins and which month it
Which
ends.
team it is? To which team it is?
Team 4. July which date?
This year.
Yes, so give them plus 10. Now you tell me the total scores.
Congratulations.
I have prize for my four masters also. Prasanna, how much time do I have?
The timer.
5 more minutes, no? So we'll have 1 minute quick game. This is like that housey unlucky. Huh? If it is live, we'll have the final question. Between 3 and no, which is the winning team? With does the winning team have any? Does the winning team have any this thing? Yeah, please. Hello, people.
Winners team won by 40
40.
and Tricolors team score is 25 and Trailblazers team 4 score is 25.
Okay, and what about this team?
No, 0.
Okay, so we will give it to winners. We'll give it to winners. Winners are the winners. Nimisha, this one is for you, one is for Santosh sir, and one is for Pratap. So can we have a round of applause for the winners? Thank you. The next game is Thumb Charades. So very bad. You will have to pick one member from your team who will do the acting, and whoever guesses. Okay, the rule is very simple. Supposing I am from team 2 and they choose me to be the person who has to act. Okay, if anybody in the respective teams they guess, whoever raises their hand, they get plus 10. Okay. So we will have 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 rounds of that. Choose a person from your team who will do the acting. No, whoever is doing the acting from the particular team, their team members are not guessing. It is open to other team members. Plus 10. 25, okay, 25.
How many is the scoring?
Scoring is very simple, sir. Supposing I am doing the acting and team 4 they are able to guess, they get plus 25. But my own team members cannot say the answer.
What if your acting is bad?
Doesn't
Damn.
matter. Oscar, you will get an Oscar.
Huh?
And maybe Pratap, you both can discuss. Once you figure out what it is, you can discuss and tell the answer. You and Santosh sir. Okay. Who I want actors from each team. Okay, team 1. Come. Movies. There are 3 English movies, 3 Hindi movies, 3 Kannada movies, but he can choose. This is the list of movies I have. So which movie do you cannot say that.
You can choose based on the audience.
Okay, so he has chosen the. Huh? No, it's English, Hindi, Kannada mix. So he has chosen the movie.
Madam, Kannada is tough.
Sir, hello, guys. Allow me to explain. There are people who are from Kannada background. We have to be more inclusive. We can have English. If you are not able to, you have to guess based on the acting.
Yeah, that's okay. That's
And by the way, what he is, the movie that he, so Hindi, yeah. So this is English, this is Hindi, Kannada he can do this.
I think one member will be
Right? So this is, yes, take it. That he will show in action only. So English, Hindi, Kannada, okay? English,
Hindi Kannada.
Hindi, Kannada, sideways, okay? And whatever he is going to show, his team members cannot answer. Okay? Yes. You, Nimisha, you and sir can discuss, and you can also. Okay, we'll allow you also to guess. Okay? Yeah. Start. Huh? How many words? Who gets that? 25. Nasib Ahmed. Yes. They have decided the scores. Nasib Ahmed, it's a so we will also have to give we will also have to give 10 marks to team 1 because the answer was guessed correctly. So the actions were appropriate. Like what sir said, no, actions were not bad. 25. 5 points. 25. Yes. For guessing the right answer is 25. For making the good attempt, it is plus 2. Okay? So, team 2, who is going to be your actor? Now, you can't choose the movie which he has taken. The list is here. So, you can choose. Yeah, you cannot say it loud. You just have to show Vishal. Which one have you taken? This one?
Okay. This one.
That one, no. So that is. Huh? Okay. Good luck. English or Hindi first? Hindi. How many words? 2 words. Hindi. First word. Second word or first word? First word.
Only Kannada.
Now, which team said Kala Pathar? So plus 20. Round cheating. 4 plus 25. Team 2 plus 10. Finally, they opened their scores. So, doing that. No minus marks. Okay. Team 3. Who is going to do the acting? Team 4 gets plus 25. Team 2 gets plus 10. Okay. Thank you, score masters. Okay. Now these two movies.
Order.
No, she didn't hear. She didn't hear. Yes.
We can also guess, right? Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Arey Baba, I am the game master. Finally, I am running the show. Okay. Toastmaster Gopaya, this team got correct, right? So plus 25 to team 2 and plus 10 for acting the best. नहीं, Monis लेके आएगा. Yes, अरे I am the game master. Sir, ये मूवी बाकी है, ये बाकी है, ये बाकी है, ये बाकी है, ये हो गया है, ये हो गया है, ये लास्ट वाला बाकी है.
मैडम देखिए.
आप जोर से नहीं बोलिए.
मैडम नहीं मैं ये बोलूँगा.
हाँ.
ठीक है?
ये.
हाँ तीन. हाँ.
ओके.
आपके ऊपर है. चलो ये बोल दिया.
मेरा नाम जोकर.
बाहर जाओ, चलो.
मैं बाहर निकलो.
फर्स्ट वन.
फर्स्ट वर्ड. तू, आप, तुम. एक.
कितने करके बोला था आपको मैं?
Okay. Plus 25 to team 3. Now plus 10 to team 4. Hello, let me hear the scores. Guys, let me hear the scores. Yes. Shilpi, no? Shilpi come here.
ये bad acting के लिए -5.
Guys, I am the game master. Let's hear the scores. अरे क्या हो गया? कुछ और हो रहा है. आप you decide. Hello, where are my prizes have gone?
I start from the 4th position. So the winners gets 10 points. So we are the There is a tie between Masters and Trailblazers. That is 35. Yeah. And the winners is Tricolor with 60. With 60 points.
Please come here. So second round, one for you, one for Marvi ma'am, one for Shrikant sir, and 2 for my scorers. Please take your gifts. Thank you, Rohit. And thank you, Shubhi. That was my time. Thank you very much.
Bad acting.
Thank you so much. Over to you. Enjoyed everyone. Sir, this.
Price for
All right, thank you everyone. Thank you Toastmaster Shalini for that wonderful session. Now we know where we stand with the knowledge of Toastmasters. So I think it's time. We go through some of the aspects of Toastmasters and understand certain statistics, certain facts about Toastmasters, so that it will be helpful for our future contests like this. So big round of applause. Thank you everyone. Now the floor is open. We want to see what talent each one of us possess. So it's up to you. We have some sign-ups for singing. We have some sign-ups for dancing maybe. So So I open the floor for talent show. Who wants to be the first person to open the talent show? All right, guys, the musician in the house.
Musicians are okay.
Thank you. This is a milestone for me also. So I wanted this thing to be on a milestone of Toastmasters because this is this place where I first came on stage and I lost my stage fear. So I've been practicing music, but I've never performed. This is going to be my first performance. Yes.
Debut.
Yes. So I plan to play three pieces today, and if it is not torturing you, I will play all the three pieces. Otherwise, I'll stop. Please feel free to stop me whenever you want. Okay, the first piece that I plan to play is composed by J.F. Handel in 1749, and it is from a opera called Judas Maccabeus. And this piece is denotes his death, his historic, heroic death, and this piece is that. Sorry. Want me to continue or shall I stop? The second piece is composition. Okay, is a composition by William Kemp. It's a commemoration of his dance, which he took as a bet in the Shakespearean era. He danced 100 miles. So this is for that. I'm getting stage fright.
Even if you play something wrong. Let's play. CA.
Okay, this is a very contemporary composition. It was composed by a Russian composer, Natalia Baklanova.
Big round of applause for Toastmaster Pratap. I think
You do one thing, sir. Sir, wait. But cannot be wrong, right?